Hi, everyone. It's Jean Oliva. I just wanted to jump on super quick after the live update we just received from our founder, Ash Mufareh. I don't want to take too long. I just wanted to share that Ash, in going through why we're having this platform, to develop ourselves, to learn, to become better versions of ourselves, to become better leaders, to be able to go into the new business fully equipped and the best that we can be so that we can succeed greatly, right? And then he talked about basically this is not a numbers game. It never has been. This is about gathering together people with the right positive mindset and alignment with the vision and and a a clarity of vision, a clarity of purpose, um, a what is the right word? We're no waffling. I think is the right to be absolutely solid in what you want. Are you aligned with Ash Mufareh and this vision? Are you willing to go into Victory with Ash and absolutely take it for the incredible value and gift that it is to become willingly the best version of yourself? Are you willing to take advantage of that amazing thing, and then be fully prepared to go into the new dream business at the top of your game? That is what this is about. It's not about having a million people jumping in and not realizing the value. This is about gathering together people who have the right mindset and then developing that. So, this is a great time for people to really get real with themselves. Is this something that I want? Do I want to become a better version of myself? Am I willing and open to learning new ideas, things I might not know anything about? Am I willing to do that because I believe in this so much, that I believe in this vision, this grand vision, that I believe in my own dreams enough to put in the effort and the time to absorb and learn from everything in Victory with Ash so that I can be best placed to to achieve all of those dreams and have that impact. So this is the time when we can be thinking about, how am I showing up out in the world? Am I, when I'm commenting on posts, when I'm watching videos, when I'm attending meetings, when I'm doing any of this, am, am I acting with integrity? Am I speaking truth? Am I being authentic? And am I aligned with this man, Ash Mufareh, and the vision? It's not just Ash, it is the grander vision. Am I aligned with it? And this is where the rubber meets the road. It's where, separating the wheat from the chaff, separating the men from the boys, as they say. This is where you just get real with yourself and realizes that what's past is past. This is completely new. And this is our fresh start. And this is the clean canvas, the fresh canvas that we will be creating a new work of art on. And so I wanted to thank Ash for that incredible update. And I'm going to go back and re-listen to it again and again, because when you're in there, you're so excited by what's being said that some things can just kind of wash over your ears, especially if you're taking notes like I always am, right? So this is a time, let's go back and re-listen to what Ash said and really absorb it, and then get real with ourselves, and then get ready to jump in, no matter how we get into the platform, whether it is in that priority placement, which we already know has been honed and honed and honed down. And no matter how we get in through a link or through that priority placement, let's absolutely honor the gift and the value of what's being presented to us, and do Ash proud and do ourselves proud by doing the best that we can to absorb it all. and grow as people, grow as leaders, because we're all leaders in our own lives. And we can have a bigger and bigger impact if we really spend the time and the dedication and keep our mindset in a really beautiful, positive place, because that's how true success happens. People that grumble and complain about life do not go to those higher levels of success. It just doesn't work that way. So I want to thank Ash again, thank everyone that was on the panel and that shared their thoughts. And I look forward to hearing what other people are going to share now. And let's get excited for what's to come. We know that October is the month when Victory with Ash will launch in its starting form, and then it will grow and be added to from there. Very exciting times. I'm so glad to be on this journey with you. And you all have an amazing, amazing day and make it a great one. Bye for now.